let us solve this question. The area enclosed by the curve y equal to 1 plus mod sin x and y equal to minus mod sin x, and the lines x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi. Let us draw the graph. What is the graph of mod sin x? The graph of mod sin x will be, whenever you take the modulus, sin x graph is this graph, AV graph. We only need to consider from 0 to 2 pi. So mod sin x graph will be, whenever you take the modulus, means y value is always positive, which means we can take the lower region to the upper part. So our graph will be this one. This is the graph of y equal to mod sin x. This is the graph of the red graph is the y equal to mod sin x graph. Now we can plot these graphs in a single graph. We can plot these two. First one is y equal to minus mod sin x. So the negative y equal to negative of mod sin x means y is always negative, which means our graph will be coming on the lower side. It will be from 0 to 2 pi, and this region is pi. Sin pi is 0, sin n pi is 0. Now we need to draw y equal to mod x sin x plus 1. You can do one thing, you can directly draw the graph. One another concept, you can use the concept of origin shifting. Whenever you get different graph, it's better to relate with the origin shifting. Y minus 1 is equal to modulus of sin x. See, which value is subtracted with x? 0 is subtracted with x, which means the new origin or the new x-axis will be x-axis itself, but instead of y, the new y-axis will be the new y-axis, which means that, see, this graph, see, y equal to a function of x. Y equal to a function of x. Now, if the origin is shifted to a new point h comma k, the graph will be y minus k equal to f of x minus h. Similarly, see this one. Is something subtracted with the x? Nothing is subtracted, which means h equal to 0. And is something subtracted with the k? Y, yes, 1 is subtracted, which means k equal to 1. So the new origin is hk is 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, sorry, 0 comma 1, hk is 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means the new origin no longer be the same origin. Now the new origin will be 0 comma 1. This is the new origin, and just draw the graph of mod sin x. Mod sin x graph will be this graph which we have already discussed. Or you can directly draw it. You can draw y equal to 1 graph plus y equal to mod sin x graph. You can add these two graphs, which will also give the same result. Or you can relate with the concept of origin shifting. Now we need to find the area of these two graphs from 0 to 2 pi. See, these two graphs we have plotted, and the lines x equal to 0 is here and x equal to 2 pi is there. See, all these areas are symmetric because the graph sin x graph is unique. It's same. Now what is the area of this region? This region is this area of this region is same as that of this one, this one, this one. So we need to find the area of this region first. What is the area of this region? This is same as that of, or you can see this area also you can find this is same as that of modulus of sin x or sin x graph. This is the same area as that of sin x graph because this is minus mod sin x. Now what is the area of mod sin graph from 0 to pi? Area equal to integral 0 to pi y dx. Integral x1 to x2 y dx is the area. What is the value of y? The value of y is sin x, so it will be sin x dx, which means area equal to, what is the integral of sin? Minus cos x from 0 to pi. If you have negative sign, you can swap the upper limit and lower limit. I am taking this negative sign and swapping the upper limit and lower limits. Now apply upper limit. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, minus sin pi is minus 1, minus of minus 1 is 2, which means this area equal to 2 units. This is same as 2 unit, 2 unit, 2 unit, which means this total contribute an area of 8 unit. Plus, what is the area of this rectangle? The length of this rectangle is 2 pi and the height of this rectangle is 1 unit. It will be 2 pi into 1 is 2 pi itself, which means our area is 8 plus 2 pi units.